So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And now once we're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in Xbox. Now you want to click on app settings. And now once we're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you want to click on repair. Now once that's been repaired, see if that fixes your problem. For the next method, you want to sign onto your Xbox account and then just sign back in again. See if that works. For the next method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to scroll down till we find Xbox. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. And then you want to uninstall the Xbox application. After you uninstall the Xbox application, you want to go to search again and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it, which is now going to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Now once you're on the Microsoft Store, you want to search for Xbox. Click on it. You want to reinstall the Xbox application. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once we're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. And then click on enter again. Now you just want to restart your computer. And this should now fix your problem.